Hi, I'm Dr. Bob Navarra. I am a researcher and a therapist who has created Roadmap for the Journey, a path for couple recovery. I've been working on research over the last 15 years on the tools and the strategies to help couples transition from active addiction into active recovery. I've been able to provide this workshop at a number of treatment programs, and the response has been wonderfully receptive. Most recently, I provided this workshop at Betty Ford Hazelden in Minnesota, and now offer the same workshop out of my office. I limit the workshop participants to 3 couples and provide individualized attention to each couple. The workshop provides a skill set for communication, for managing conflict, and I provide the tools with a manual and with research-based materials to help couples have conversations to integrate couple recovery into their relationship and to better manage conflict. The process involves presentations and then couples breaking out into private space to talk about and to integrate the exercises. We then regather and have an opportunity to share, optionally, about that process and ways to integrate that particular tool into the relationship. Day 1 has to do with integrating recovery. Day 2 has to do more with managing conflict and establishing directions and goals for the future. I look forward to continuing to provide this workshop. The responses have been overwhelmingly positive. So over a long period of time, I have received emails from couples and partners of folks in addiction recovery really struggling with the lack of connection and lack of information about how to go forward as a couple. I look forward to providing this information to couples and to advocate for couple recovery, the missing piece in recovery.
For more information, visit drrobertnavarra.com or email relationships@drrobertnavarra.com. Please note that this workshop is not appropriate for couples where there is active addiction. Dr. Navarra meets with each couple to determine if the workshop is appropriate and a match.